Once upon a time, in a small school nestled between rolling hills, two best friends, Ali and Sara, sat in the same class, full of energy and curiosity. They were playful, always laughing and joking around, but when it came to studies, they were equally focused and eager to learn. Both loved school, especially when the lessons felt more like an adventure than just a routine. One bright, sunny morning, their teacher, Ms. Nadia, walked into the classroom with a twinkle in her eye. Ms. Nadia was known for her fun-loving nature and unique way of making even the toughest subjects enjoyable. She had a new lesson planned for that day, one that would spark curiosity in her students and get them thinking in a creative way. "All right, class, today we are going to do something exciting," Ms. Nadia announced. "We will explore the magic of science with a fun experiment. We're going to see how a balloon floats in the air when we fill it with air." Ali and Sara exchanged excited glances. Both had always loved science, but the idea of turning a simple balloon into something that could float made them even more intrigued. Ms. Nadia handed a balloon to each of them. "Let's see what happens when we fill this balloon with air. Watch closely," she said. As she blew air into the balloons, Ali and Sara could hardly contain their excitement. They watched as the balloons grew bigger and bigger, until finally, Ms. Nadia tied them up. "Now, who wants to try making their balloon float?" she asked. Both friends eagerly raised their hands, bouncing in their seats. Ms. Nadia held up her balloon and said, "Let's start by releasing the air slowly and observing what happens." Sara, still a little confused, asked, "But Ms. Nadia, how does the balloon float? Does it have wings like a bird?" Ms. Nadia smiled warmly and explained, "No, Sara, it doesn't need wings. The air inside the balloon creates pressure, and that pressure causes the balloon to rise. The air is lighter than the surrounding air, which makes it float."